Hi, I'm your abuela, and I'm thinking you're a boy.
Okay.
I'm Leo.
Boy. Okay.
Hi, I'm your tita. I think you're a boy. I'm your lola. I think you're a boy. Wow. Hi, I'm Benita Shai. Hi, I'm Eugenia Shai. I think you're a boy.
Hi, Ninong Paulo. Boy.
I'm Tito Jensen. I hope it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Hi, I'm your Ninong Jasper. I think you're a boy.
Hi, I'm your
Okay, almost done.
It's a girl.
3.
I think you're a boy. Pero playmate ka na. Yay! Boy? Okay.
Hi, I'm Tito. I think it's a girl.
It's a girl. Okay.
I think it's a boy. Girl. Girl pala. Ikaw na.
Girl, okay.
It's Tito Producer. Hi, I'm Tita Ann, and I think you're a girl.
Okay.
We are your kapitbahay and I think laki ka.
You're a boy. The boy.
Say boy. Boy.
I'm your Tita Macy, and I hope you're a girl.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Ako yung baby.
Sabi niya, hindi ko naman nakita.
Walang game to. Walang game. Robin.
Si Tito Vince.
Oo, ini ka.
Oh shit!
Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. Kahit di mo ko pilitin.
Ayan na, malalaman natin sa kamay. Are you guys ready? One. Two. Three. Go! It's a
Oh shit!
面白いね。
Hello guys! Thank you! Hamspot, thank you! Kasi wala talaga kami idea sa nangyayari for today. Thank you sa effort, Made, Shai, Ina, kami ni Mami. Alam ko sobrang busy ng mga yan. Tinatago lang nila yung mga ganap pag pumunta kami sa bahay nila. Wala talaga kami alam kung paano kaya kinakabahan talaga kami. Pero sobrang thank you sa effort, sa lahat-lahat sa pagpunta, syempre. And sobrang na-appreciate namin kasi before, nung kami palang dalawa ni Belle, alam na namin na andito kayo palagi. And then ngayon na meron yung nagdagan na kami ng isa, mas naramdaman namin na palagi kayong nandito. At nandito lang kayo palagi. Thank you so much!
Una-una salamat kay God kasi binigyan yung kami nito. Ako personally ng asawa. Yeah.
Sana
Na mabubuting magulang.
Hey!
Mababait. Matulungin yung mga kapatid. At mga biyenan na walang sawa sa suporta. At syempre, papasalamat ako kay God kasi nagkaroon ako ng hindi lang mga tropa pero mga extended family. Para sa iyong anak, yung message ko since documented naman to. Lumaki kang binaka sa Diyos. Laging makikinig sa parents. Sobrang iba yung paramdam nung nalaman kong nagsakan. Yes! And ayun, wala talaga ako nang masabi. Sobrang saya ko. Kasi basta, masaya ko. Ayun, thank you. Mag-enjoy tayo. Nananala ko.
Okay, so ito na talaga. Ang tuning na ako, One, two, three, go! It's a
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron.
To know, I got to let it show. I'm coming up. I want the world to know. I got to let it show. There's a new me coming out, and I just have to live. And I wanna give. I'm completely positive. I think this time around I am gonna do it like you never knew it. Oh, I'll make it through. The time has come for me to break out of the shell. I have to shout that I am coming out. I'm coming, I'm coming, coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I've got to show the world all that I want to be. My abilities, there's so much more to me. Somehow I'll have to make them just understand I got it well in hand. And
Thank you. Hi, girl. I'm happy. Importante, healthy ang aking magiging apo. Salamat at kaya masugod po naman.
Oh shit!
And God bless. Sana po, pagkasal natin na hindi mahirapan si Christian sa pangarap. Okay? At salamat sa lahat ng mga pumunta, sa mga kaibigan ni Dale. Thank you very much sa oras at panahon. Advance Merry Christmas. Salamat po.